Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I am Yusuf. I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information channel. This is episode number 93 and today I will talk about the databases, bibliographical databases, full text databases and the format of the databases. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this episode, I will talk about the four main points about the databases. Number one, what is database? Number two, what is bibliographical database? Number three, what is full text database? And number four, what are the main format of the database? So come to the point number one, what is database? Database is information that's set up for easy access, management and updating the record and set of the record. Computer database typically store aggregation of data, records or file that contains information and product information contain different types of records. Databases are used for sorting, maintaining and accessing any sort of data. That information is gathered in one place so that it can be observed and analyzed. Databases are considered an organized collection of information. Point number two, what is the bibliographical database? Bibliographical database is a database of the bibliographical records. It is an organized digital collection of reference to published literature, including journals, newspaper, article, conference proceeding, reports, government and legal publication, patents and book. The example of bibliographical databases are Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed, Google Scholar, PsycInfo and many more. Point number three, what is full text database? A full text database or complete text database is a database that contains complete text of an article, books, chapter, dissertation, journals, magazine, newspaper, and other kinds of textual document. Example of full text databases are JSTOR, EBSCO, Science Direct, Wiley, ProQuest, Taylor and Francis, Emerald, and many more. Point number four, what are the different formats of the databases? There are three types of databases with respect to content access. Number one, open access databases. Number two, subscribed or commercial databases. And number three, hybrid or partially accessed databases. Now I will discuss each database's type, each database's format one by one. Number one, open access databases. Open access databases provide the information free of cost. It's a share the contents under the Creative Commons license 4.0 and anyone access these databases free of cost. The example of the open access databases is DOJ, Directory of Open Access Journal. Number two, commercial databases, closed access databases, or subscribed databases. These type of databases provide access through the payment and user have to pay for the access of their content. Example of the commercial databases are Wiley, Taylor and Francis, Emerald, Ovid, Science Direct, Up to Date, and many more. Number three, partially open access or hybrid access databases. These type of databases, some contents are partially open access and some contents you have to pay charges. So these type of databases are known as a partially open access. In new launch journals, sometimes they provide free open access of the few issues and after that they will charge. or some journals have restricted their access for a specific embargo period for 3 months, 6 months, or a year, and after that they will provide free access to the content. Here I conclude the episode number 93. I hope, viewer, you understand what is databases, what is bibliographical databases, what is commercial databases, and what are the different format of databases with respect to their content access. Stay connected. I will back soon with another informative episode. Thanks for watching till the end. Allah Hafiz.